Today I am going to explain about integers. So seventh mathematics, integers. So before going to integers, we want to know some basic concepts. First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Why you are using natural numbers? The counting numbers, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. So we are using the numbers for counting purpose. They are called natural numbers. So for example, we have some books here. We are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like and so on like that. So that's why these natural numbers are called counting numbers. Now natural numbers are indicated by the letter capital N. Capital N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here the smallest natural number. What is the smallest natural number here? 1. And then the greatest natural numbers we cannot say. Nobody can say the greatest natural number. This is the explanation about natural number. Now we go for whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? Whole numbers. Whole numbers means 0 and natural numbers. 0 and natural numbers are called whole numbers. 0 and natural numbers are called whole numbers. 0. Another way how can define 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on are whole numbers. Are whole numbers. Now whole numbers are indicated by the letter W. W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here the smallest natural number. What is the smallest natural number here? 0. The greatest natural number we cannot say. The greatest natural number we cannot say. Next topic, positive numbers. What are the positive numbers? Now we go for positive numbers. Positive numbers. Positive numbers. Positive symbol. What is the symbol for positive? Plus. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on are called positive numbers. Positive numbers. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 are called positive numbers. And another way, 1. 1 means what is the meaning? There is no symbol here, but we consider as plus. 1, 2, 3 and so on. So 1, 2, 3 and so on are also called positive numbers. Are also called positive numbers. Are also called positive numbers. Now 1, 2, 3 are what are the 1, 2, 3 numbers? The counting numbers. That means all natural numbers are also called all natural numbers are also called positive numbers. Positive numbers. So what are the positive numbers? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on are called positive numbers. or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means what are the numbers? All natural numbers. 1, 2, 3 are already discussed. These are the natural numbers. So the natural numbers also called as positive numbers. Also called as positive numbers. So all natural numbers are also known as positive numbers. Now next definition, negative. Negative numbers. Negative numbers. What is the symbol for negative? What is the symbol for negative? Minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Minus 4, minus 5 and so on are called negative numbers. Negative numbers. So what is the symbol for negative? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on are called negative numbers. Negative numbers. Now another definition, integers. How can define integers? How can define integers? How can define integers? 0, positive, 0, positive, negative. Negative, 0, positive numbers are called integers. How can define? If it is a number line means this is, what is number line? A line contains numbers is called a number line, and this is 0. Right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So here 0, these are the positive numbers and these are the negative numbers. These are 0, positive, and these numbers are negative numbers. Now how can define integers? So integers from 0 to 0 and 1 to 3. 0 to 0 and positive numbers are also called whole numbers. That means how can define 0, 1, 2, 3. What we can say these numbers? Whole numbers and negative numbers. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 0 to and so on. These are numbers. 0 and natural numbers are called whole numbers and negative numbers. So whole numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Or 0, positive numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Or 0, natural numbers and negative numbers are called integers. So natural numbers, how can define? Natural numbers are indicated by the letter n. Natural numbers are indicated by the letter n. Whole numbers are indicated by the letter w. But here integers not I. Some books are given I, but integers are indicated by the letter z. Indicated by the letter z. Z is equal to z, like this we can represent the number line. Now why there are two reasons are there? Why the integers are indicated by the z? There are two reasons. Number one, these numbers are separated by positive and 0 is separated by positive and negative. That's why integers are 0 based numbers. Integers are 0 based numbers. 0 start with z. That's why the integers are indicated by the letter z. This is the one reason. What is the first reason? Integers are indicated by the letter z because there are two reasons. The first reason is integers are 0, positive and negative, and zero based numbers. The integers are also called as zero based numbers. First we write 0 and then write positive numbers, then we can write negative numbers. That means the integers are based on zero based numbers. So 0 is started with the letter Z, that's why the integers are represented by Z. That is for one reason. And the second reason is, in higher classes we know integers are Z come from the word Z. Z comes from the German word. Which language? German word Zahlen. Which means to count. Which means to count. So this is Z come from the German word Zahlen, which means to count. So integers are indicated by the letter Z. There are two reasons are there. First one is integers are zero based numbers. So 0 is separated by, the integers are separated by 0 with the positive, right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. So that's why 0 based numbers. So 0 start with letter Z. That's why integers are represented by the letter Z. Another reason is Z comes from the German word Zahlen. German word Zahlen. Zahlen start with the letter Z. That's why it is indicated by, integers are indicated by the letter Z. There are, now we are going to discuss some operations on integers. So already we know what are the operations. We know addition, subtraction. We know the previous class in the 6th standard level. We know the addition and subtraction. So first one is addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction of integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. If there are two basic rules are there, if there are two basic rules are there, I am going to paste on these two rules. If same symbol means we can do the operation plus. Same symbol means what we can do? If we do the operation plus. Same symbol means we can do the operation plus. Now suppose 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. Now what will happen? Here same symbol. Same symbol means what we can do? Same symbol means 3 plus 5, 8, and we can keep plus symbol. Suppose minus 3 minus 5. Here also both are same symbol, but symbol is minus. So we can add 5 plus 3, 8, and we can keep same symbol. Same symbol means what we can do? We can add. Here one more example. Minus 25 minus 15. What will happen? Minus 25 minus 15. Here what are the symbols? Both symbols are same symbol. Same symbol means what is the operation here? Plus. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Symbol minus. Symbol minus. Now 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9. Here what are the symbols? Both symbols are plus only. So what is the operation? If the same symbol means we can go for addition. So 9 plus 3, 12, and what we can keep the symbol? Plus. Here minus 12 plus 10. Minus 12 plus 10. Minus 12 we can go for minus 10. Both are same symbol. Then what we can do? We go for add. 2 plus 0, 2, 22. And what is the symbol here? Minus. Minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3. Here what are the symbols here? Both are same symbols. 7 plus 3, 10. We can add the both one and then keep a minus symbol. So if the same symbol means what we can do? We can add and then keep the what is the same symbol came, that symbol only we can keep the here. Suppose now if different symbol means what will happen? If different symbol means we can subtract. For example, minus 3 plus 2. Here symbols, we observe the symbols means symbols are different. Here minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means what are the symbols? Different symbols. If different symbol means what is the operation? Subtract. Subtract from big number to small number. 3 minus 2, 1. And what is the greater symbol here? Minus. We can keep the minus symbol. Understood? So different symbol means what we can do? We can subtract. So subtract from big number to small number. 3 minus 2, 1. And keep minus symbol. For example, 4 minus 3. Here 4 means what is the symbol? Plus. Here plus minus. Different symbols. What is the operation here? Different symbols means minus. 4 minus 3, 1. And what is the greater symbol? Plus 1. If we no need to keep symbol plus with keep or without keeping symbol, we can consider as plus 1. For example, 7 minus 4. Here what will happen? Here what is the symbol here? Plus 7. 7 plus 7 minus 4. Here what are the different symbols? Both are different symbols. 7 minus 4, 3. Different symbol means what is the operation here? Different symbol means subtraction from greater number to smaller number. 7 minus 4, 3. And the symbol is plus 3. Next, minus 25 plus 10. Here, what are the symbols we observe here? Minus 25 plus 10. That means these two symbols are different. Different means what we can do? Different symbol means what is the operation? Minus. Same symbol means what is the operation? Plus. So, here a different symbol means we can go for subtraction and keep the greatest symbol here. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. And what is the greatest symbol here? Minus. Next, minus 50 plus 30. Here, what are the symbols here? Different symbols. Different symbol means what we can do? We go for subtraction. So, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. And the greater symbol, minus. So, here what we observe here? Different symbol means we can go for subtraction. And the same symbol means we go for addition. Okay? Now, same type of sums we can give like this. Add 35 and minus 25. Add 35 and minus 25. 35 plus symbol, adding for symbol plus. Now, and what the number given? Minus 25. Now in this case we are going to do some different operations. What are the operations? Observe again. Here there are 4 basic operations are there. What are the 4 basic operations? 4 basic operations. Plus into plus equal to plus, minus into minus equal to plus, minus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus. If here both are pluses. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. If two both are same symbols means what will come here? Plus. If both are minuses are multiplied means what will come? Plus. Any 1 plus 1 minus means minus. 1 plus 1 minus means minus. So if these two operations are addition operations. Same symbol means what we can do? We can add. Different symbols means we can subtract from big number to small number and keep the minus symbol or plus symbol. So operation is different symbol means subtraction. Same symbols means addition. Here by after this one addition and subtraction, and then this four operations also we can use. We can use 4 operations. Here addition only, but here observe here we can add 35 and minus 25. So 35 here plus minus. Here in between no symbol means what is the meaning? Here multiplication is there. Plus into minus, what will happen? Minus 25. Now 35 minus 25. Now here what is the symbol? Plus. Plus minus. Different symbol means what we can go? We go for subtraction. So 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. And what symbol we are going to keep here? We are going to keep the symbol, greater symbol, that plus only we can add. Like this we can do the add sum. Now another sum we can see. Add minus 150 and minus 100. Minus 150 minus 150 we are going to add. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. What we are going to add? Minus 100. So minus 150 plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus 100. Here both are same symbols. We can write vertically. 150 minus 100. Same symbol means what we can do? We can add. So 0, 5, 1 plus 1, 2, and both are same symbols. We can keep like this. So add means what is the meaning? We are going to add the two numbers. What are the two numbers? Minus 150 and minus 100 we are going to add. What symbol we are going to use? We are using for addition plus symbol. So minus 150 plus what the second number is? Minus 100. So minus 150 plus into minus, what will happen? Minus. Plus into minus, minus 100. Minus 150 minus 100. So here minus 150 minus 100 we can add means minus 250. Minus 250. Suppose they will give 75 minus 75 and 25. Minus add question number 3. Add minus 75 and 25. Simply how can write? Minus 75. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Here 25. Here no symbol means what is the meaning? Plus. Now minus 75 plus into plus, what will happen? Plus 25. Here we can write vertically 75 plus 25. So we write the first greater symbol and then small symbol. Now here minus, here plus. Plus minus means what is the symbols? Different symbols. Different symbol means what is the operation? Subtraction. So 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 2, 5. And the operation is greater symbol 50. Greater symbol 50. Now next question observe here. Add 30 and minus 70. Add 30 and minus 70. So 30, what is the operation for addition? Plus, and the second number, what is that? Minus 70. Now 30, here operation, plus into minus, minus 70. Here, what is the greater symbol here? Greater number value here, minus 70, and here no symbol means what we can consider? We can take it as plus. Now plus 30. So here first, sometimes we observe that first number is greater number, sometimes second number is greater number. Whatever it may be, we can take it as a different symbol, means we can take it as first number, which is the greater symbol number, that number is taken as first, and the second number we can take it as second, and then come to the normal operation. Here different symbol means what we can do? Different symbols means the operation is minus. Now we can go for subtract. Minus means subtraction. 0 minus 0, 7 minus 3, 4, and greater symbol is minus. Like this we can do. Now similarly we can give so many more numbers. More numbers means we can, what we can do? Question number 5. Add minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 and 12. Now here how many numbers are given? There are 4 numbers are given. Now what we can do? Minus 3, and what is the operation? Plus. Second number minus 2. What is the operation? We are going to add. Add means plus, and then minus 5 and plus of plus 12. Now here how many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers are there. First minus 3. Here what is the operation? Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus 2. Here what is the operation? Plus into minus, minus 5. Plus into plus, plus 12. Now here there are 4 numbers are there. First we can add these 2 numbers and then come to the operator these 2 numbers. Here what are the symbols are there? Greater symbol is minus 3, minus 2. So what is the operation here? Same symbol means what we can do? We go for addition. Same symbols means we go for addition. Minus 3, minus 2, both are same symbols. We go for 3 plus 2, 5, and the symbol is addition. For this 2, what is the greatest number here? Plus 12. And the least number is minus 5. Minus 5. So here what type of symbols are there? Different symbols. Different symbols means what we can do? We go for subtraction or minus. 12 minus 5, 7. And what is the greater symbol? Plus. After that, so this 2 result is this one. For this 2 result is 7. Now minus 5 plus 7. This 2 result, this value came. For these 2 results plus 7 came. Again we want to simplify or addition or simplify these two values. So what is the greater value here? Plus 7. And small value minus 5. 7 different symbols means what is the operation here? Minus, subtract. So 7 minus 5, 2, and the symbol is plus. So like this we can give the 4 numbers means we can do like this. Now similarly we can do one more some similar model. Add minus 10, 20, 5 and minus 15. Minus 15. So minus 10 symbol, what is the operation for this? Addition. Addition means what is the symbol? Plus 20 plus 5 plus minus 50. So here minus 10 plus into, here no symbol means what is the meaning? Plus. Plus into plus, plus 20 plus 5 plus into minus, minus. So minus 50. Now first these 2 can operate, first the remaining 2. Now what is the greater symbol? 20 plus 20 minus 10. So different symbol, plus minus means different symbol means what is the operation here? Minus. So 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1, and the greater symbol is plus. Here minus 15 plus 5. So here also different symbol. Different symbol means what you can do? We go for subtraction. 15 minus 5 minus 5, 0, 1, and the greater symbol is minus. Now for these two results this value came. For these two results this value came. Again we want to simplify. Plus 10 minus 10. So plus 10 minus 10. So different symbols we can subtract. Different symbol means what is the operation? Subtraction. 10 minus 10, 0. So that is final answer is 0. Like this we can do the different sums. Now like this we can do. Simplify. Simplify minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 4. Like this they will give. Now here first these two numbers we can simplify. Again these two numbers we can simplify. Again these two numbers we can simplify. Now minus 3 plus 2. First these two numbers we can observe the symbols means what is the symbol here? Minus 3 plus 2. So what is the operation here? Minus. Different symbol means different symbols means what is the operation? Minus. So 3 minus 2, 1, greater symbol minus 1. And then come to here. Here minus 3 minus 2. Here different, not different symbols. Here same symbol. Same symbol means what you can do? Same symbols means we can add. We can add 3 plus 2, 5, and the symbol is minus. Here minus 5 minus 4. Now here also same symbols we can add 5 plus 4, 9, and then keep the symbol minus. Now for these two results this value, for these two results this value, for these two this value. Again we want to simplify these two, minus 5 minus 9. First these two want to simplify. Minus 1 minus 5. Otherwise we write greater symbol minus 5 minus 1. So both are same symbols. Both are same symbol means what we can do? We can add 5 plus 1, 6, symbol is minus. Now minus 6 minus 9. Here for these two results minus 6 came and minus 9. These two added means minus 9 minus 6. Both are same symbol. So what is the operation here? Plus. So we can add 9, 6, 15. 9 plus 6, 15, and keep the minus symbol. Keep the minus symbol. So we can do like this. We can do some 3-digit numbers. Minus 750 plus 120. So here what you can do? Different symbols. Different symbols means what you can do? We can go for subtraction. 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 1, 6. And symbol is minus. Understood? So different symbols means we can subtract. For 0 minus 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 1, 6. Minus 2500 minus 1500. So how can do this one? Here same symbols. Same symbol means what we can do? We go for addition. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, and then 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and the greater. Same symbol is minus. So we can keep minus 4000. Now minus 7570 minus 75,000 plus 25,000. Here what we can do? How can simplify this one? Minus 75,000 plus 25,000. So here symbols are different. Different symbols means what we can do? We can subtract. Subtract from greater number to smaller number. Then 0, 0, 0, then 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 2 5, 50,000, and symbol is minus. Symbol is minus. We can do like this. Now minus 3 minus of minus 3. How can simplify this sum? How can simplify this sum? Minus 3, here both are minuses. Minus into minus. Minus into minus means what is the operation? Plus. Minus into minus plus 7. Minus into minus plus 7. So minus 3 minus into minus plus 7. Now here minus 3, here plus 3. Now what will happen? Here greater symbol is plus 7 minus 3. Now different symbols means what is the operation here? Different symbols means we go for subtraction. We go for subtraction. 7 minus 3, 4, and the symbol is operation is plus. Next, minus 7 minus of plus 10. Minus 7 minus 7 minus into plus. Minus into plus. What will happen? Minus. Look at here. Minus 7 minus of plus 10. Minus into plus minus 10. Here both are same symbols came. So greater, generally we can write first the greater symbol and then small symbols and check the operations. What is the symbols here? Both are pluses. So plus 10, minus 10, minus 7. Both are same symbol. Same symbol means what is the operation? Plus. 10 plus 7, 17, and keep the symbol minus. And keep the symbol minus. Minus 7 minus of minus 23. Minus 23. Now minus 7 minus into minus plus 23. Minus into minus plus. Now here plus 23 minus 7. So different symbols means what we can do? First we can write 23 plus 23 and minus 7. Now 13 minus 7. You can subtract. So minus 7 minus into minus plus 23. Now here plus 23 minus 7, we go for subtraction. 13 minus 7, 6, and then 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, 6, then 2 minus 1, 1. So like this we can do. The symbol is same symbol. If we keep the symbol plus or not symbol, we can keep plus. We can simplify like this. So these things we learned in previous classes. For that we can go for little bit advanced level. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 4 plus 5 plus 2. Now we go for these two simplification. Minus 3 plus 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Different symbol means what we can do? We go for subtraction. For this two simplification, minus 1. And then go for this 2. What is the greater symbol? Plus 5. Then small symbol minus 4. Now different symbol means what you can do? Subtract. 5 minus 4, 1. And the greater symbol is plus. Now for these two results, this value. And for these two results, plus value, this value. And lastly, 2 is there. Now again for this we want to simplify. Minus 1 plus 1. Different symbol means we can subtract 1 minus 1, 0. We cannot keep any symbol. Plus 2. Here the result is 2. So 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, any number plus 0, same number. Any number into 0, for example, 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. Any number into 0, 0 will come. Any number plus 0 plus any number, same number will come. find the sum of minus 15 plus minus 7 plus of minus 8 minus of minus 5 minus of minus 5. Now minus 15 plus into minus minus 7 plus into minus minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. Now these two we can first simplify and these two we can simplify later. Now minus 5 plus minus 7. Here both are same symbols. What is the operation? Same symbol means we can add 23. 7 plus 5 3. 23 minus 23. Now here minus 8 plus 5. So different symbol means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 5 3 and the greater symbol. For this two simplification this value. For this two simplification this value we get. Now again we want to simplify this two. Minus 23 plus of minus 3. Now minus 23 plus into minus minus 3. Now minus 23 minus 3. Both are same symbols. Minus 23 minus 3. Minus 23 minus 3. Both are same symbols. 3 plus 3 6. 26. We can add this 26. Okay. Now we can go for some product of integers. Product of integers. Just 1 or 4 or 5 sums we can do. Product of integers. So product means what is that? Product of integers. Product of integers. Now minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1. Here first we check the operations. Minus into minus plus. 3 ones are 3. Now minus 2 into minus 3. Now what will happen? Minus into minus plus. 3 twos are 6. Minus 2 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus. 5 twos are 10. Minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2. Here what is the symbol here? No symbol means we can take it as plus. Minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. Minus 3 twos are 6. Fifth one. Minus 3 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5. Here plus into minus. Minus 3 5s are 50. Like this we can do the multiplication. Thank you children.